Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you want to speak English fluently but you feel stuck? Today I'm sharing 3 quick tips that will completely change your language game. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Learn phrases, not just words. Tip number 1. Stop memorizing long lists of single words. Instead, focus on phrases. For example, don't just learn the word creative, learn the phrase a creative outlet. It helps you speak much more naturally. Tip 2. The 60-second challenge. Tip number 2. Practice thinking in English for just 60 seconds a day. Look at an object around you like your morning coffee and describe it in your head. It's hot, dark, and smells amazing. Just 1 minute a day builds huge confidence. And tip number 3. Embrace your mistakes. Even if you feel a bit nervous, your English is improving every single time you speak. Progress is better than perfection. So which of these tips are you going to try today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time. Bye!